ready to unlock seamless SMS communication for your business. This is how to use Messagebird numbers like a pro. First, let's grab your Messagebird number, log into your Messagebird account and navigate to the Numbers section in the left-hand menu here. You can search for available numbers based on country and features like SMS, voice, or WhatsApp compatibility. Select a number that suits your needs and purchase it. Now, let's send your first SMS. Go to the SMS section, also in the left navigation menu, and click on Send Message. In the To field, enter the recipient's phone number, and in the Body field, type your message. Ensure you select your Messagebird number as the From number. Time to level up your SMS game. In the settings, you can set up webhooks to receive delivery reports and manage inbound messages programmatically. This allows you to track message status and automate responses. That's it. You're now equipped to supercharge your business and customer interactions using Messagebird SMS. Be sure to explore the Messagebird documentation for features such as two-way messaging and advanced analytics. Subscribe for more communication hacks.